Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, the King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring to your attention fragrances that are usually very good value for money. They smell good. They're usually under the radar. Not many people talk about them. I think at least you should do your research, try them for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So this is another unboxing and first impression, and this is yes, we are still in the house of Swiss Arabian. Swiss Arabian doesn't need introduction. They are a big house from the Middle East, the United Arab Emirates. They've been around for more than 50 years and they make amazing fragrances for what you pay. So the ratio between what I pay and what I get is fantastic. So lately I've been doing some Swiss Arabians because I love the house. I bought so many, and this is, I think this is the last one. I think this is the last one of this series, and this one in particular called Swiss Arabian, and this is Ghazi Oud. Ghazi Oud, Eau de Perfume 100 ml. There are two of them. There's one Ghazi and this is Ghazi Oud, so not to be mistaken. Okay, so before I do the unboxing, if you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative or valuable, you know what to do. Hit those buttons. This way you help me, encourage me, you motivate me to make videos like this in future. Your help, your encouragement will take this channel a long way, and I appreciate that very much. Thank you for your support, and let's go. So standard Swiss Arabian box, which is attention to details is very good. And this one in particular is in United Kingdom. You can find it under £25. So I don't know anything about it. I never seen any review of it, and let's see how it goes. But knowing House of Swiss Arabian, it's going to be, the standard is going to be high. So it's got a nice logo to it. It's like some sort of knight armor. By the way, Ghazi in Arabic means judge, but in some sense, some sentences, some other meanings of Ghazi is a warrior, so somebody who makes decision in war. Anyway, so let's go with the bottle. So I got the classic bottle. So this is the older version, so I'm very happy because there are two versions of it. This is the older version. There's a newer version which is different bottle, and they are standardizing the bottles. So this is the old formulation, which is, I'm very happy. So very nice, heavy bottle, very classic, very it's got like a boat and some sort of angle to the very heavy cap. An atomizer is golden, and it says Ghazi Oud, Eau de Perfume, Swiss Arabian, and here we go. Good atomizer. It's not one of the best, but it's good enough. It gives adequate amount of juice out. Okay, so how is Ghazi Oud by Swiss Arabia? Here we go. First impression. Ooh, oudi. As it says, Ghazi Oud. The oud is big. Leather. Very realistic leather. Animalic almost. Earthy. Incensey. A little bit spicy. Dry. There's almost no sweetness in here. There's a tiny bit of sweetness, but it's not much. So it's very minimalistic in terms of sweetness. So the first thing it hits me is the oud. The oud is here, is big. So it's a big oud. The oud is, let's go on the animalic side. This is a combination of leather and oud, making it a little bit animalic, but not much. It's just a small amount, okay? But it's very warm, it's very ambery, it's very deep, resinous, is very a little bit of smokiness, a little bit of incensey feel to it. Little bit of muskiness to it as well. Little bit of powderiness, little bit of dustiness. But smells wonderful, especially for the price under £25. This is a bargain because the oud is so realistic, it's so natural smelling. I don't know how they manage that. Obviously in this price point you don't expect natural oud, because natural oud is very expensive. But what they do, they, combination of things they put in here, it gives it that natural oud feel. So I'm getting that natural oud feel. It's a combination of notes, it's a combination of chords they they use and utilize and cleverly mix together to give you that feel. Yeah, so oud yes, leather yes, smoke yes, incense yes, earthy yes, amber yes, little bit of muskiness yes, almost no sweetness and almost no fruity, no what's his name, no florals almost. There's a little bit of fruity, dry fruit feel to it, but not much. Again, minimalistic. But if you love this kind of fragrances, warm, spicy, incensey, oudy, woody, ambery, deep resinous, musky, smoky, powdery, little bit of dusty, this is under £25 is amazing. It smells much more expensive than I paid for it, at least few times more expensive. There are fragrances out there, they smell similar to this, they're selling for 100 plus. So you can tell this is a very good quality. And House of Swiss Arabian, this is the amazing thing about it. They put out beautiful fragrances for very good quality, high high performance, long lasting, amazing value for money, and not many people talk about them, which this is what I'm doing. I'm bringing them to your attention to know there are alternatives, there are houses, there are companies out there, there are brands out there, they make amazing fragrances, but you don't have to pay big prices. This is under £25 and is worth every penny. Very nice. It's got something again, the fruitiness is coming up a little bit. So it's got like a dry fruit, like a it's like a dry apricot, dry peach almost, or dry date or raisin, something like that. It's coming up a little bit more now. Yeah, beautiful. Okay guys, I'll let you know in the next video. In terms of age, definitely 25 and up, because this is quite mature. In terms of season, better suited for cooler weather. And in terms of occasion, this is opulent, this is good for going out, special occasion, evening and things like this. So it's very good. In terms of sex, it leans more towards masculine, but if you like this kind of fragrances, then it doesn't mean anything. Anybody can use them, men and women, but it leans a little bit masculine because of that big oud and the leather and the amber and all the smokiness and the incense, making it a little bit on the masculine side. Okay guys, I'll let you know in the next video the rest of it, the development, the longevity and things like that. But for now, it's very good. I'll give it 2 thumbs up. I'm loving it. Absolutely gorgeous. So if you like what I do, don't forget to hit those buttons. If you want to support me by buying one of my own fragrances that are out of this world, they are super artistic, ultra beast mode, very unique, amazing value for money, and you need to live in United Kingdom in order to purchase them. I leave the description, the links. Thank you very much for your support, and I'll see you later. Bye.